make only 124 chains, single chains. 1 2 3 4 5 6 24 and 1 2 3 1 2 3. This next 4 double crochet, 1 2 and 3 double crochet, 1 4 1 2 3 4. Just 4. 1 2 3 single crochet, make it. Once you keep this 1 2 1 2 3 4 5. So keep this 4, make 5. Now single crochet. One, 2, 3, 4, 5 single chain, make and skip this 1 2 3, these 3 4, 1 2 3 4 and 5, 1 2 3 4 5 and next 6 1 2 3 4 5 and just make single crochet. 1 2 3 single chain and skip this 1 2, these 1 2 3 4 5, no, double crochet, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, 4 4 double crochet, 1 2 3 4 double crochet, 1 2 3, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet and the single 4, 1 2 3 single chain, 1 double crochet, skip this chain space and make next and this chain space, 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 and 12. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 double crochet. Now 1 2 3, skip this chain space and make next and this crochet, 1 double crochet, 2 3 1 4, yes, 1 2 3 single chain, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, 1 single chain, skip the chain space, 1 2 half double and 3 half double and 1 single stitch, skip all stitches, make together all stitches, 1 2 single chain, 1 half double crochet, 2 half double crochet, 3 half double crochet, make all stitches together, 1 2 single chain, 1 half double crochet, 2 half double crochet and 3 half double crochet, make them together all stitches, 1 2 3 1 2 single chain, 1 double, 2 half double crochet and 3 half double crochet, make all stitches together, 1 2 3 4, 1 single stitch, skip this chain space, make into next this crochet, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, and 3 double crochet, and 1 4 double crochet. One, two, three single chain, 1 double crochet, 2 and 3 and 1 single chain, 4 crochet, 4 crochet, 1 2 3, skip this crochet and chain space, make and this 1 2, skip this crochet and this chain space and this 1 2 3 4 5, skip this chain space, make and do this 1 2 3 3 single chain, skip this chain space and these 3 crochets and this chain space, make next 1 crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, and 1 4 double crochet, 1 2 3, 1 2 and 3, 1 2 3 single chain, skip this chain space, make and this 1 and the chain space, 1 double crochet, 2 complete 12 double crochets, 10 11 and 12 double crochet, 1 2 3 single chain, skip this chain space, make this crochet, next 1 4 crochet, 1 2 3, 4 crochet complete. We will complete this 4 crochet, 1 single chain, skip this chain space, 1 half double crochet, 2 half double crochet and 3 half double crochet, make them together all stitches, 1 2 single chain, 1 half double crochet, 2 half double crochet, 3 half double crochet, now together 1 2 1 half double crochet, 2 half double crochet and 3 half double crochet, make them together 1 half double crochet, 2 half double crochet and 3 half double crochet, with all stitches together. Sorry, this is 2 1 2 1 2 3, 1 single chain, skip this chain and 2 complete all around, 3 and 4, this is front part of blouse and this is back part of blouse. Now we will start this part. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1 2 3, 1 2 3, skip this 3 single crochet, make next 1 crochet, 1 okay, 1 single chain, skip this stitch, this single chain and make into next chain, 1 single chain, make also and this 2 times, 1, skip this chain, single chain, make and next chain, 1 double crochet, 1 single chain, skip this 1 chain, make in this next 1 double crochet, 1 single chain, 2 times 2 double crochet, and one chain. Skip this chain, making next this chain. One double crochet, one single chain. This one. Skip this one, open next one. One single chain, one double crochet. Skip this one, make next this one. One single chain, one double crochet. One extra crochet, double crochet. 1 2 3 is extra double crochet. One double crochet, one single chain, and this one double crochet. One double crochet, skip this crochet, and just two pairs, and this chain space. Make one single chain, one double crochet. And this two pairs in this chain space, one double crochet, one single chain, one double crochet. Then one single. One single chain, one double crochet, and one 2 3 single chain, make in this chain space one double crochet, one single chain, one double crochet, one single chain, one double crochet, one double crochet, one single chain, one double crochet, one double crochet, one single chain, one double crochet, one double crochet, one single chain, one double crochet, one double crochet, extra double crochet, 1 2 3, one, and this chain space, one double crochet, one single chain, one double crochet. Okay, and this chain space, one double crochet, one single chain, one double crochet, and this chain space, skip this in, and this chain space, one single, one double. Again, this skip and this chain space, make and this chain space, one. Complete all round chain stitches. Back part, front part.